wanting to try, and this is in Trocadero. Cute. We're here to eat some lunch, and the sun came out.
Sun's out. My leg's on fire.
Because it's too hot?
I'd rather have my leg on fire than no sun.
We are supposed to have a nice view of the Trocadero, but this is our construction view. Merci beaucoup.
And can I get some fresh fruit? We have raspberries and strawberries. It's okay?
So we ordered the quiche, French onion soup, and Ryan's toast. We have to see the Eiffel Tower. It's beautiful. They're definitely setting up for the Olympics, I think.
100%.
We see the Eiffel Tower every time we come to Paris, and it's still stunning.
Very, very pretty.
We are now gonna go shopping. We're on the shopping street of all the designer brands. I did some damage at Dior. I'll do an unboxing later. But now we're gonna walk towards Champs-Elysees for some more shopping. All the buildings in Paris are very pretty. Not sure why, but they blocked off the street here on Champs-Elysees. And you can see through the whole street all the way to the Arc de Triomphe. How pretty! You have to get these when you're in Paris.
I'll do caramel and chocolate, please.
Pretty good? He's eating his pistachio macaron. That's your favorite flavor, huh?
It's all good.
From Lauderay. Lauderay is our favorite.
That was good. You know what?
Martin. I think I will do this one.
Yeah, this bad boy.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah, like a little.
You can take the soup with your hand. No spoon. どうぞ. There's our fresh wasabi. You don't mix in sauce. You put direct on the fish. After.
Interesting, right?
Yeah, you're supposed to open it.
Yeah, cool. Seriously.
We finally checked into our room. We are staying at the Drawing Hotel, and we got upgraded to a deluxe room, I think. This bed is huge.
Twice the size from our Airbnb.
I know. And we got a lot of space here, which is nice, especially for somewhere like Paris.
Oops.
Say hi.
Isn't that the Louvre?
Is that the Louvre, my
I
love?
think so.
We are really, really close to the Louvre, though, so it's a great location.
Golden hour too, I think.
I know, it is the golden hour. How pretty! Just look at this architecture.
So pretty.
And this in the middle. Doesn't get old, huh? And far away, you can see the Eiffel Tower over there, too. That is Eiffel Tower. What a beautiful city.
Toasted teleport.
Ooh, that one sounds good. Soda tea. Nothing like late night boba. We were taking a walk outside our hotel just to digest a little. Walked past by this boba spot. We just walked past by it at first. And then we walked a few steps. We talked about it. And we were worried that we're not going to be able to sleep tonight. But who cares? We're on holiday.
Well,
So we went back.
So many calories.
And it's actually quite good.
Gosh, about that. We weren't ready for that.
No. It's a lot of people.
Wow.
I guess we're not going to get in.
Nah,
I don't want to wait for that. It's always so pretty.
There's this up there. People been stuck out
I
there,
know.
over there.
That looks too scary.
You sure?
We are back here today. It's gloomier today. Lots of clouds. But it's not raining, so it's fine. Brian got the lamb chops, and of course French fries, and I got cod with clams. It was too cold and rainy outside, so we came inside.
May I even know?
Arc de Triomphe. You don't have a jacket that style. I did some damage yesterday. I've been thinking about this for a while, and while we are in Paris, we finally did it. I have one box.
If you can't get out of the box, you have to return it.
No! I can do it. Oh my god.
If you can't get it out, you have to give it back.
Anya! I'll do it, watch.
All right.
Oh, so first, I'll open the small box. Little pouch and a little belt. I got the reversible belt with this kind of brown color and black color. The big box.
The only time the wrapping's gonna look that good.
Yep.
Ooh.
Ta-da! Oh, I got...
What's the potpourri bag?
Huh? This?
Oh, to protect it.
Yep. I got
They
this.
think of everything.
Dior DJoy bag. I never liked the square Lady Dior one, but when I saw the rectangle one, I liked it. And I got it in this bluish, grayish color.
Stone gray.
Stone gray color. Yay! I did some more damage today at Montclair. This one is Ryan's. You got a little pink knit sweater. Right? It's a really nice color. It's like a muted pink color. Has a logo on the side. So that's for Ryan. This one is mine. And it's a little down puffy jacket. I wanted something that was light and packable and not too heavy duty, but good for kind of spring, fall season, early winter maybe. I really like this color. And last but not least, this one is for Ryan. It's a new spring and fall type jacket. Very lightweight, but very soft. And the best part is...
Brown.
and it's brown.
That's reversible.
Reversible. So on the other side, you get this Montclair monogram. Can't really tell, but...
You can see.
But it's pretty subtle, so it's actually really nice. And Ryan doesn't have a color like this, so yeah. And as a gift, they gave us this, which is a box of lingerie. We're at the Cheval Blanc for dinner.
This is the most elevated mashed potatoes from KFC that I've ever had.
It's so buttery. This is amazing view. Eiffel Tower view. Happy anniversary.
Fish, octopus, steamed,
Should I blow it up?
olives and lemon.
잘했어.